Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup, the only way you'll ever need. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions, along with 4 cups of quality vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you have a large pot ready and a sharp knife for efficient chopping. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process from start to finish. Now let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over a steady medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely chopped onions, celery, and carrots. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and slightly translucent. This crucial step releases their natural sweetness and creates a rich base for your soup. With our aromatics softened, it's time to introduce the liquids and herbs. Carefully pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Next, add your seasonings. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and a single bay leaf will infuse wonderful flavor. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious vegetable soup is almost ready. Before serving, remember to carefully remove and discard the bay leaf. Now, taste your soup and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. A final touch of fresh, chopped parsley adds a vibrant color and a burst of fresh flavor. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls and enjoy this wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.